Jai Srimannarayana. 7th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mattah parataram nanyat kinchidasti Dhananjaya Mayi sarvam idam protam sutre maniganayiva Om. If you have any false beliefs, make sure all those false beliefs are changed by the fact. Here is the fact. Sri Krishna Paramatma openly declaring, making a statement that He is the Supreme. He is absolutely superior to everything. There is nothing higher than Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall realize the fact that you are the Supreme. There is nothing higher than you. You are superior to everything. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall realize the fact that everything depends on you. Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 26th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kamsa is now hesitating to kill his own sister, thinking that if he kills her, all of his fame, wealth, everything will be totally destroyed forever. He is also thinking like this. स एष जीवन् खलु सम्परेतः वर्तेत यः अत्यन्तनृशंसितेन. Those who does very cruel activities, they are considered as dead ones. Though they are alive, they will be considered as dead ones by great people. Not only that, those who does these kind of cruel activities will go to hell, which is known as Andhatamam. Like that comes a thought, and he stopped killing his own sister. But he could not stop spilling out animosity and spilling out hatredness towards Sakshat Sriman Narayana. He felt like this, Aste pratikshanta janmaharehe. I will wait until Sri Hari takes birth, then I will decide what to do. Like that, he started always thinking about that Hrishikesa Chintayamaha Hrishikesam, always thinking about such Paramatma. Tiruguchu Guduchu Dravuchu Naruguchu Kurchundile Chuchun Anavaratambun Hari Talachi Jagam Hari Maya Mani Chuchekam Sudu. While going around here and there, while sitting in his simhasana, while sitting in his own palace, while sleeping on his bed, wherever he is, while eating, while sleeping, everywhere, all the time, he is thinking about Sakshat Sriman Narayana. He is seeing Sakshat Sriman Narayana's presence everywhere, and that Paramatma who is all pervasive being seen by Kamsa, but not in a devotional way, but Kamsa is thinking that Paramatma who is all pervasive is his enemy. Like that, Sri Sukha teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 7th sloka. Mattah parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mayi sarvamidam protam sutre manigana iva. Mattah parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mayi sarvamidam protam sutre manigana iva. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.